Good morning everyone. Mamta Nehra welcome you in GK class. Do you know students? India is the country of festivals. Many festivals celebrated in India. Now we will learn about some festivals. Today we will learn about festivals of India. So students, get ready. This is the picture of Diwali festivals. Diwali is the festival of lights and crackers. This is the picture of Holi festivals. Do you know students? In Holi festival we play with colors. This is the picture of Raksha Bandhan festivals. Do you know students? In Raksha Bandhan festival, sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of brothers. Brothers give the gifts to sister. This is the picture of Christmas festival. Do you know students when we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas on 25th of December every year. This is the picture of Dussehra festival. This is the picture of Eid festival. This is the picture of Baisakhi festival. This is the picture of Pongal festival. Thank you students for watching the video.